You guys have to start putting all these Shopkins in the fridge while I'm lifting my weights. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll just walk over here and wait for you guys. Okay, looks like we're stacking all these up to the task. Yeah, we're really gonna stack all of them up to the task. So let's stack. Let's put them in the fridge. Let me get the fridge opened. I'll make her fly with my horn from magic. Okay, ooh, now we can reach it. Very good. Oh no, we're out of eggs. Well, it's good that we have some. It's good that we have some eggs. So let me get the eggs. Here's one egg. It's this one. So let me put this one right in there. And then get another egg. That one I think goes right here. Here we go. We have 2 eggs. Then this one goes right here. Then this one over here. Ooh, this one looks sad. We'll put it right there. And this one will go right here. And this one will go right over here. Okay, we have all the eggs ready. They can teeter-totter while we're doing this. And let's see, let's put on the top shelf. Let's get the mushroom up there, Miss Mushy Moo. Let's get Tommy Ketchup. Wait, let's get Tommy Ketchup right here. And then where's Grand Jam? Grand Jam! Oh, there's Grand Jam. And put Grand Jam right there. There's Grand Jam and Tommy Ketchup. Let's put Jam right next to him. And where's the soda? Here it is. Not soda pop, a different kind of soda. There we go. Then let's get, what other one is there? Oh, the strawberry ice cream. This one can go right there. And let's see. Let's see. We should have some apple juice right in there. Apple juice. And Miss Mushy Moo's up there. Let's see, I will put Zelle and put her right back there by Miss Mushy Moo. And let's see. Hey, you have to help as well. You're faster than me, you know. No, you're faster at jumping. Well, I'm going to take a break and you do it this time. Oh, fine. Wait, let me put Toasty Pop right over here. Ooh. Toasty Pop has to go right up here. I can't put Toasty Pop in. You do it. Okay, I guess I'll do this. Let's try to put Toasty Pop right in there. Oh my gosh, Toasty Pop! Get in here. No, I don't want to. Fine, then you're going in the drawer. Okay, let's get Nettie Spaghetti instead. Nettie Spaghetti will work. Yep, there's Nettie Spaghetti. And let me see, let's get not Peachy, this drink right here. Let's get the drink. Okay, now let me get Humpty Dumpling. Put him on the second shelf. There we go. And let's get Peachy right here. Let's get Cherry Tomato right there. And the other Cherry Tomato. Let me see. Let's see. Let's put Susie Sushi right here. This pie right here. And this croissant right here. Okay, now let me close this for full. So let me get this and put this in here and get this, no, not the kid, yeah, the candy apple, oh, wait, the candy apple should go down there. Let's put this in here, all those candy apples in there. Get this one right in here. We're done. We stocked up everything. Now you two are done. You guys have to give me some apple juice. Right away, sir. She didn't do any work. She has to do this. Fine. I can't even grab the cup. Apple juice. There we go. Here you go. Here's your apple juice. Ugh. Okay, the apple juice is good. Now you guys can go back to work. Or back to doing whatever you want to do. Hey people, how well were you paying attention to the video? Did you notice any houses in the back? Any houses in the back of the studio? Put down in the comments below. Really need some? We only have 2 on our videos. Bye guys. Peace out.